Okay, guys, process is very similar to adding the decimals. What we do, first of all, is line up the decimals and then drop the decimal and then just subtract as usual. Unfortunately, 2 minus 4 is no bueno, so we're going to have to borrow from the 6. That will make that a 5, and that all of a sudden becomes 12 here. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2.8 is our answer. Now, a trickier example here, the 5.82 minus 7.96. Dang, this number I'm putting the arrows on has a larger absolute value. I will do the test over here doing the absolute value because look, decimals, subtracting decimals just like subtracting integers, same rules apply. So we take the absolute value of 5.82, compare that to the absolute value of negative 7.96, and put a question mark here, we don't know yet. Well, remember, when we do the absolute value, we drop the signage. So, 7.96 is greater. Okay, so he wins or she wins. Let's say she wins. She wins the sign contest. So now the answer is going to be negative. And put the answer right there, the answer box, even though all I know is a sign. I don't know the actual number yet. Now remember, I'm going to do simple subtraction. What does that mean? The bigger number goes up top when I do simple subtraction. I'm going to change it up a little bit, but remember the answer is negative, so we're cool with the sign. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. Remember the decimal place there. I should have said drop at the beginning. So 2.14 is the actual number, but with the sign, it's going to be negative 2.14. So remember, rules that work for integers work for decimals. Just got to make sure you line them up and have a decimal place in the answer. Good luck, guys, and be careful.